Have you ever thought about starting your own dropshipping business? Today we'll unravel the mystery and guide you through the process step by step. Dropshipping, a unique retail business model, differs vastly from traditional retail. In dropshipping, you sell products directly from the supplier, eliminating the need for inventory. The benefits are numerous: low upfront costs, no inventory to manage, and the ability to start a business from the comfort of your home. The first step in this journey starts with market research and niche selection. Identifying a profitable niche with high demand and low competition is crucial. Utilize tools and websites like Google Trends and keywords everywhere to help in your research. Next, it's time to set up your online store. There are several e-commerce platforms to choose from, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. You'll need to choose a domain name, set up hosting, and customize your store. Remember, a user-friendly design and mobile responsiveness are key to attracting and retaining customers. Once you've got your online store up and running, it's time to source products and suppliers. Look for reliable suppliers who can deliver high-quality products on time. Platforms like AliExpress and Salehu are ideal for finding potential suppliers. Creating compelling product listings is the next step. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and set competitive prices. Remember, your product listing is your chance to convince customers to buy, so make it count. Managing orders and customer service is an integral part of your dropshipping business. You'll need to communicate effectively with suppliers and handle customer inquiries promptly. A happy customer is a repeat customer after all. Now, on to marketing and promotion. Utilize social media, SEO, and email marketing to create a buzz about your store. Building a brand and creating trust with customers is vital for success. Don't shy away from using paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. While starting a business is exciting, it's important to consider legal and financial aspects too. Register your business, understand your tax obligations, and have a clear privacy policy. Keep track of your expenses and revenue, and don't forget to create a business plan. As your business grows, you'll want to think about scaling. This might mean outsourcing tasks, expanding your product lines, or entering new markets. Be aware of potential challenges and devise strategies to overcome them. In conclusion, starting a dropshipping business involves several steps: market research, setting up an online store, sourcing products, managing orders, marketing, and legal considerations. But with a clear plan and determination, you can navigate this journey successfully. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments with your questions or feedback. We're here to help you on your dropshipping journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your entrepreneurial journey is just a click away. Connect with us on social media for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep striving for success.